Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today we're gonna do a review of Shopify Basic Plan. Is it worth it, actually? So we can check it out. Start for free, then enjoy the first month for $1. Down below we can see here it is. Basic, most popular Shopify plan for solo entrepreneurs. Right here you can see $24, guys, per month, billed once yearly. And of course, you can check it out. Card rate starting at 2%, third-party payment providers, standout features, guys, 10 inventory locations, 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 3 markets, POS Lite, and so on. Down below, we have, of course, starter pack, guys, right here, starter package, $5 a month, but you can check it out maybe right here, that Shopify Basic Plan versus Shopify Lite Plan. Down below, we can see from monthly fee to online store, there is no online store, built-in theme editor, yes, no. Number of themes up to 20, nothing. A blog engine, yes, no. Right here, SSL certificate, yes, no. Financial reports, yes for both. Shopify Flow, no for both, and no for both for abandoned cart recovery, gift cards, third-party calculator, shipping rates, and so on. So definitely the basic plan can be amazing for you. Can have some solutions for you, specifically if you consider, guys, that you can get for $7. For $1 your first month, but before that you can get, guys, 7 days free trial. So you have approximately 37 to 38 days to use Shopify Basic Plan for basically $1. And that's amazing news for you. So right here we can check it out. Shopify small for small teams, guys, $1 for first month. Right here, $1 for first month is advanced as your business scales, and yeah, you can check it out. So for example, basic one right here, we can see this is our account for shooting a video. So you can see you've unlocked new teams and features with the basic plan. So you get your teams, guys, as we said, up to 20, and with the light plan, guys, with the starter pack plan, guys, you do not have anything. You can have this right here. We can check it out, guys. No, not on customized. Right here, online store. Let's see how it looks like. This is our makeup store we made for our video purposes. You can see how it looks like. It's really beautiful, but of course you can't have this banners, logos, anything. You will have with your light plan, guys, with your starter package, you will have just this featured products and your website address, and that's basically it. So in my personal opinion, if you have your own products, guys, or if you're doing drop shipping or whatever, do not use a starter package, guys. If you have some created community, huge community that you know will buy your product no matter how your marketplace look like, okay, basic plan, well, starter package on Shopify will be a decent solution for you. But in my opinion, anything else, if you're a beginner, if you're intermediate, or anything else, guys, basic plan is your plan to go 100%. Because right here, as I said, plenty of options: home, orders, products. Right here, you can add your products, guys, collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, gift cards, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and everything. But for online store itself, you can select your team, guys. You can select from huge variety of different teams right here. You can give them a shot, guys. And in basic plan, you get, I think, 13. That's right, 13 free ones and paid 200. Paid ones, pretty expensive, some decent amount of money you need to pay for it, guys, for your paid teams, but you can just satisfy yourself with the free ones. I mean, they're offering to you more or less the same thing as the paid ones, and they're free. So you can select them right here. As I said, you can check out your perfect team that suits for you, that suits your business, that suits your product, and then you can just customize it, because you have plenty of options. As I said, with basic plan, guys, you can customize your announcement bar, header, you can add image banner. As you can see, we've done it right here. You can see footer, add section right here, and everything. And as I said, just check it out. Online stories here, you can view it, guys, in as I said, in my store, how it looks like. And you can't make this right here. This can't happen if you go with a starter pack. So they're offering to you plenty of stuff, plenty of amazing benefits, guys. Yes, it's 2% card rate starting at 2%, third-party payment providers, standout features. You have 10 inventory locations, you have 24/7 chat support, localized global selling, 3 markets, and POS Lite. So yeah, I mean, please just think about it, check it out, guys. It's definitely amazing. So give it a shot. Plenty of features for you, specifically if you're a beginner, guys, because you need to have at least basic plan in order to attract some new customers. Marketplace is called marketplace for a reason. That's the place where you sell your product. So your marketplace needs to be great, needs to be colorful, needs to be or minimalistic or whatever. You need to have a great combination of colors. You have to put your product first so they can see your product. Nothing else can be distraction or something like that. So you need to make your amazing marketplace. And how can you do it? Of course, basic plan will suit you, will do just as fine for you. And as I said, I just don't think that starter will be enough for you if you're serious about Shopify, if you're serious about your business. So as I said, think about it, check it out right now, guys, right here, because definitely the basic plan is your way to go. Check it out right now and watch our previous videos in general about basic plan, about comparison of plans, guys, about how to make your marketplace, how to pick your niche, how to pick your product, how to add a product, plenty of videos on our channel. So check it out and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.